Yeah, I'm Chandrasekhar Pandey. I'm founder and CEO of Secyan, and we are here at Cyber Resilience Summit. We had a pretty phenomenal set of the discussions with the delegates. It was great to connect with so many people. We will be looking to do many more events with the Cyber Resilience team.
The Cyber Resilience Summit was a great agenda, awesome speakers, very much relevant to today's challenges. And what's always good is listening as well to challenges and perspectives of different people from different industries. So it was worth coming and investing time in today's event. And it was a good opportunity to catch up with our technology and strategic partners who are here in the event.
Oh,